Hey, how you going again? So on this particular video, it's probably going to be a two-step process, and the intent is to be able to show you how to start getting yourself set up and comfortable with VS Code, which is the techie jargon. Also with Claude, I won't go about actually setting it up, Claude up inside at this stage, but I'll start going into the skills and setting up the skills. And more specifically, again, as I go through these small series of videos, we're going to add our SAM AI theme, which gives you the ability to have click-through connections and jump through to the tutorial area. So I don't know how to do this. You can jump through and you can actually start to have a look. But at the same time, I say exactly what I've said. The intention is that Claude can actually start to help you set up your business or your job activity or whatever that actually is. Now, so SAM slash the environment and then Claude. Now we're in Claude Code, VS Code, a lot of tech stack I'll call it, but not really. So let's just go and have a quick look at, I'm going to call it a skill. So if I went Coach for the moment, I'll start with. So I've got Coach Sam. Now Coach Sam has been organized to help you install the modules, to get your skills going, to start to help teach you, train you associated to VS Code more particular. You can share and Coach Sam will actually help you with that. But once we've got to start with actually getting the software installed, downloading the skills, and then installing the skills to get started. So again, I'll do that over a few different sessions. And let's see how we go. If you've got any questions, drop a question down the bottom there or wherever it's floating around now, and let's see how we get going. Upwards and onwards. Take care. Talk to you on the next one.